Hey guys, for today we are going to review the Trident Z Royal light bar. I found this shit on Lazada for about $8 or that's 400 pesos in my currency. It's supposed to be put on an existing Trident Z RAM. It can be Neo or anything, they all have the same size for the light bars. As you can see here, I've removed mine and I'm going to teach you how to remove yours as well in this video. In size comparison with the old light bar, they're the same size. Honestly, they're the same size. Believe me. Please believe me. Shit. So, assembly. First thing you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver. As you can see here, I have mine. Even though it won't focus, it's a flathead screwdriver. So the next thing you need to do is you have to get that flathead screwdriver under the light bar. You can do this by shaking it. And hopefully it gets space at the bottom so you can stick your flathead screwdriver in there. It's a little hard to do, but once you free up the space, it's all easy. Put it inside and press downwards with the screwdriver. It should leverage it and the lock should fall apart. Don't worry about breaking your RAM. You have no risks. The RAM is underneath. Same with the LEDs. So now get your Royal Trident Z converter or light bar and stick it in there. Do one side first before the other. I prefer doing one side before the other and putting a slide motion to lock the other side. Now I have locked one side and I'm going to use the slide motion to lock the other one. There we go, it's locked. Now that makes two. We now have two Trident Z RAMs for half the price. Wow, that's amazing. Now for the part I've been waiting for, the RGB testing. The less boring part. Here we go.